Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a board that you have created on Pinterest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed with your credentials. After you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete your already existing board, then click on your account icon at the top right corner. You will now be taken into your account page where underneath Saved, you will see the boards that you have created alongside all pins. If you wish to delete any board, click on the Edit button at the bottom right corner of that respective board and you will be able to edit your board. In order to delete this, simply scroll down all the way and you will see the delete board option. You can also keep this board a secret so that only you can see this. But if you wish to delete it, then click on the delete board button. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this board. You can click on the delete button and your board will be deleted. However, you will still have a time of 7 days within which you can restore this board. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your board that you have created on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.